Well, parents in York Region now have a better idea as to what the classroom will look like and how classes will be conducted come September. The York Region Catholic District School Board held a virtual meeting tonight, presenting their plans to the community. The plan outlined in a 19-page report, offering up solutions but also leaving many questions unanswered.
We don't know what will happen in a month's time and in 2 months' time.
The plan is for elementary school students from kindergarten to grade 8 to attend class 5 days per week, with one cohort for a full day, including lunch. Secondary students will return to an adapted model with class cohorts of approximately 15 students attending on alternate days. The board says this will allow for a staged approach to reopening secondary schools. The parents may also enroll students in remote learning. They'll also have the option to return to the classroom at specified re-entry points throughout the year.
We are waiting to hear from the ministry as to the minimum requirements for synchronous online learning.
The school board says classes will be split into quadmesters, where 4 periods will be divided throughout the term.
We decided to go with the quadmester model because we felt that there would be a more focused, deeper learning in each course. There would be more consistency and more face-to-face time with the teacher when we look at the 23 days. Less anxiety for students and teachers by concentrating on 2 courses.
During the meeting, a number of questions were asked by the board.
How are you going to ensure that the students that go to school in class are going to be able to have the correct physical distancing measures while they're in the classroom?
What happens if a student who is attending school in person becomes ill?
School board officials say they're working through the issues and are waiting to hear more about what the province expects later this week. In the meantime, the York Region Catholic Board will be distributing surveys to parents tomorrow, asking them to indicate their intentions to send their children to school or keep them home for distance learning. In a statement, the board says it will also ask about intentions to use school-provided transportation. This will help us organize classes and implement our school re-entry plan effectively. Now, in terms of what the online learning requirements will be, the board says they are still waiting to hear from the Ministry of Education before those details can be released.